As sandblasting and drilling have become principal cornerstones of their work, priority compressor requirement is more demand. They are dynamic compression and positive displacement compression. We have 4 main air compressor types. They are axial flow compressors dynamic, centrifugal compressors dynamic, reciprocating compressors positive displacement, rotary compressors positive displacement. Technical details of XAMS air compressor. Type XAMS 850 CD7. Normal effective working pressure PSIG 125. Bar E 8.6. Actual free air delivery CFM 848. According to ISO 1217 ED.3 1996 Annex DM3. Per minute 24.0. L. Sec 403. Max. Sound power level LWA dBA. Max. Sound pressure level at 23 feet dBA 76. Oil capacity US Gal 8. Max. Ambient temperature degree F 122. Engine Caterpillar. Type Caterpillar C7 Acer T3. Number of cylinders 6. Output at rated speed HP 253. kW 186. Swept volume inch 3439. Engine speed nominal RPM 2000. Engine speed unloaded RPM 1300. Capacity oil system US Gal 6. Capacity cooling system US Gal 12. Capacity of fuel tank US Gal 106. Unit dimensions overall fixed tow bar adjustable tow bar. Length inch 199.8. Width inch 78.3. Height inch 82.4. Weight, with undercarriage kilogram 3400. lb. For more details check description.